Yes, you can actually create items using a 3D printer. All you have to do is follow the instructions and pronto, you can build the specified item you have chosen. They are sold at reasonable prices too, so you can easily afford them. Be a proud collector by printing and setting up these wonderful 3D printed items. In this video, 5 awesome 3D printed items are featured. Number 5. iPhone holder. You can create your own phone holder simply by printing on a 3D printer the given file. It's an incredible item that you want to be proud of. There are colors and designs that you can select from. Choose one that suits your lifestyle and personality and make your phone stand out. Number 4. Clocks. This clock can be printed and assembled quickly. You can download the files and print them by following the instructions properly. You can actually use it as soon as it's assembled. Keep in mind though, to buy it from a reputable source to prevent downloading fake items. Number 3. Acoustic guitars. With 3D printing, you can create your own acoustic guitar. It was first done by Scott Sumi, with the body of the guitar being made from plastic. This guitar is an awesome work of art, and what's really good about it is that you, in reality, can use it. You may want to copy the design of your guitar of your favorite guitarist. With a little tweaking, this can be done. Number 2. Guns. You can actually fire this 3D printed item. Make sure you download and print the correct files and you would be target practicing in no time at all. You may want to check other companies offering the item to make the best choice. No matter where you download it from, double check the instructions before assembling your gun to prevent mishaps or errors. Number 1. Medical model. You won't believe this, but you can now download and print 3D medical models that you could use while studying. This is good news for practicing medical workers as well as to everyone who belongs to the medical field. Whether you're a student or a practicing health worker, these medical models could provide instant references for you. You will be able to check swiftly parts of the body at any time you want. There are various models you can use, such as brain, heart, lung, intestines, kidney, and the liver. Thank you for watching. Can you think of anything else that should be included in this list? Let us know in the comment section. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more daily content. We also have a website you can check out at www.neoxide.com.